Tailor Brand's Business Email Setup. Step 1. Go to tailorbrands.com and log into your dashboard. From the left sidebar, click Business Tools, then select Business Email. Step 2. You'll see different email plans powered by Google Workspace. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Most people go with the basic plan, which includes Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and more. Step 3. If you've already registered a domain with Tailor Brands, you can use it right away. Enter the email prefix you want, for example, info@yourdomain.com or hello@yourbrand.com. Then, fill out your basic info and confirm. Step 4. Tailor Brands will now walk you through linking your email to Google Workspace. You'll verify ownership of your domain, and then your email will be ready to use within a few minutes. And that's it.